How to order food through Uber Eats. In order to order food on Uber Eats, you need to install and download Uber Eats on your device. Also, you need to have an account. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my account. Once you're logged into your Uber account, you need to browse the available restaurant or search for a specific type of food. So select a restaurant and you just have to tap or add it to the item or add the item to your cart. When you're finished selecting the item, you just need to tap view cart or checkout, and you will also need to review your order, including the estimated delivery time and cost as well, and make sure your order or payment method is correct, and you have to place order to confirm it. So and you just need to track the progress to find order from the restaurant to your door directly in the app, and this way you'll be able to order food through Uber Eats. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.